Do you have a favorite, like, if you were just going to somebody's house for, like, a big football party or a Super Bowl party, would you have, like, what do you gravitate to?
He's always working on Super Bowl. He's not going to a
No,
party.
I know, but in his mind, he has favorite foods that are football foods.
The football foods go back to every time I sit there and watch Aaron Rodgers compete at Lambeau Field. All I can think about is the bratwurst that you can get at Lambeau Field. So I am that guy that would actually start up the grill just for one hot dog. I'll take a bratwurst.
Sounds like me.
But even if it's just one, you have to have the toasted bun on top too. The toasted bun makes everything. You got to have the toasted. Just throw it on top of the grill because just a plain bun that's not it. It's like a nice bratwurst on a toasted bun, maybe a little bit of mustard. I'm telling you what, that's it.